Good afternoon, everyone, and a grateful acknowledgement to Her Excellency Tegan and Dr. Samula for coming along today, and obviously an incredible thanks to you, graduands, who are going to be coming up here very shortly. Extremely incredible achievement, so I'm very intimidated and grateful for this incredible success. And obviously, needless to say, the supporters of the graduates are probably even more important. So a huge congratulations to you. What we're going to do now is a little bit, I'll do the introductory bit, we're going to do a little slight tweak. And as you probably guessed with me, I'm always a little bit avant-garde, perhaps a bit of a risk taker with presentations, and I'm sure Tegan and Dr. Bridget will be intrigued. But we're going to use our cell phones in a short while, and we're going to scan a barcode on the screen. So I'm going to do the introduction, and then you're going to scan the graduands, not everyone, but the graduands will scan a barcode which will appear on the screen. So I'll just prepping you up for that in a tick, because we've got a few questions to ask you. Because one of the tragedies of standing up here is, of course, it's always a one-way street, and we want to try and encourage a bit more interaction. So that's what I will be doing in a tick. I think I've really said thanks to everyone, and obviously a huge thanks to a lot of our instructors here, and obviously august company with Dion Reinders and Terry. They have presented all over the world examples of EIT instructors. I mean, Dion, I was just reflecting this morning, was presenting to the New York Stock Exchange on technology improvements so many years ago, and Terry, of course, has been everywhere presenting, and he's got an incredible electronics company here in South Africa, creating huge employment, a real entrepreneur. So really just want to say a few words about myself. Obviously, I'm a bit of an entrepreneur and resilience, and I think my biggest driver is curiosity. So I'm always a little bit intimidated with speeches like we've had before, but I'm always absolutely driven by curiosity and finding out new things, particularly in STEM. And obviously, we just finished a road show, which some of you have attended, on AI and engineering, which was really fascinating, through Botswana, Namibia. We did South Africa about a year ago. So it's really incredible opportunities, as Dr. Bridget said, huge opportunities for engineering graduates. So that is one of my theses. And obviously, as Dr. Bridget forcefully gave some really good examples, we have huge challenges. So you, as STEM graduates, and I'm not referring only to professional engineers, professional technologists, professional technicians, you have a huge, incredible part to play, and that's really exciting for you. Obviously, congratulations on the topics that you've done. Engineering is tough. There's no misunderstanding there. And I've always found it intriguing in Australia, for example, that all the international students are generally doing business degrees or cooking and catering. Obviously, cooking and catering is pretty important, but they tend to avoid engineering. And engineering is the hardest, and you have all jumped in with great enthusiasm, and that measures you. Thanks very much. Thanks. So those are, huge opportunities. I just want to stand in front of the screen. And obviously, there's a few suggestions here about what lies ahead for you. Obviously, remuneration goes without saying. And as Dr. Bridget said, one of the biggest opportunities is mobility. So if you're doing a law degree, and Tegan was just discussing some difficulties that you have between Australia and Singapore with legal degrees, and how she was facilitating the movement, but there's a lot of qualifications which are really, really difficult to get mobility. You think of medicine, law, a whole host of things, but engineering, you are highly mobile and you can move anywhere. And the great thing is you can go overseas, get some really great experience, and come back to South Africa with new things. So that is a huge opportunity. And it doesn't just refer to you as a professional engineer. As I said, a technician, technologist, doesn't matter. And obviously, I suppose one of my driving missions is it, when I started engineering, as Terry did, we were looking for employment with big companies. That is all gone, 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 gone. You have to create industries, and you can. There are huge opportunities in being an entrepreneur. So really, I suppose as Mr. Kennedy, the president, said many years ago, don't look at what your country can do for you, look at what you can do for your country in terms of entrepreneurship. So those are really important things. We've got a little interactive component, as I said. Now, it's going to cause a little bit of angst, but what I'm going to ask James here, James, if you can just give a quick intro. It's going to take 2 or 3 minutes, and I know Vinker's going to be a little bit put out here. James, can you just give us a quick rundown of what we're going to do now?
Sure, thank you. Hi everyone. So what I'd like all our graduates to do now is, can you please take your phone out and then try and scan that QR code over there. Now, if you haven't scanned a QR code before, all you need to do is open your camera app, point it right at that QR code over there, or over there as well. And then there should be a URL that pops up and you can go right to a web page. Now, if the QR code is not working, you can simply go to your browser and type AHA Slides, AHA slides.com / capital F, capital S, capital H, capital R, and capital M. And if you do need Wi-Fi, there is Wi-Fi in this venue. The name of the Wi-Fi is just Cedarwoods, and then that's the password over there.
If you can't get on, don't panic, don't worry, it's all okay. Just look over the shoulder of your colleague who has got it working, because you may be blocked by the internet and you may have all sorts of interesting problems. We just want to quickly the juggler. So let's ask the first question. So you've all scanned in. Let's ask the first question, and you type in, and I want to know, what country were you based in during the majority of your studies? So let's have that one. So type in there. Are you impressed, Tegan? Okay, Botswana, South Africa. Mostly should be South Africa, but it's always interesting to see if there's any differences. Namibia. Just keep typing, don't hold back. It's interesting, we all won Africa here, definitely. Zimbabwe. So this is everyone typing in. At previous graduations, we had people from Ethiopia, Egypt, Norway. Not yet. Norway, gracious me. Okay, we'll give it another few seconds and then we'll move on to our next question. So we're just trying to give you a profile of who's there so you can see who your colleagues are. And there's a few interesting questions after this. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Question 2. What was the toughest hurdle during your learning journey? Was it work? Was it... Just put a few words down. It'd be really interesting to see. Just a few words. Maybe you had no hurdle. But what is your toughest thing? Time management, load shedding. Oh, there we go, load shedding. Yeah, those are real problems, as Dr. Bridget said, real challenges today, which you didn't have, 10 years ago. Juggling work, yep. Load shedding. Studying while working, yep. Working, yep, definitely huge. And by the way, we will give you the copies of all these slides for your reference later. But as you can see, lots of challenges, and you are examples of people that have overcome them all. What a fascinating snapshot. Electricity, yeah, you all deserve a huge clap, absolutely. Absolutely. As Dr. Bridget said, you didn't have the load shedding and water problems, 15, 20 years ago. So it is a challenge, but you got through, and that's what characterizes you, achievers. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Unfortunately, time is tight. One word to describe how you feel about being here today. Just give us a few words, just one word or 2 words, whatever. We want to hear from you. Fantastic, excited, overjoyed, lekker. There we go. Yeah, that's South African word. Brilliant. Awesome. Words are jumping around a bit too much for me, Jerry. Jubilant. Oh, that's a good one. Jeez. Okay, excellent. Proud. Absolutely. We are all absolutely proud of you, what you have done. Happy, enjoying the excitement. That's brilliant. That's excellent. Delighted, great, fantastic. Thanks very much. That's brilliant. And we've got one last question we'll go to. What are your long-term career aspirations? Let's see. Let it all hang out. What are you going to do? Let's see. Reach for the sky, as Dr. Bridget said. What do you want to achieve? Just tell us. It's all anonymous. We won't hold you responsible. Just go for it. To be rich, there we are. Degree in mechatronics, yep. Growth engineering, professional engineer. Self-employment, minister of electricity. Oh, okay, yeah, fair enough. A politician, entrepreneurship, be the best, management position. Running my own company. We've got a lot of entrepreneurs here. Good on you, because you will create employment. You are going to create employment, and we want more of you. Doesn't matter. Look at all those magic words down there. Further my studies. Yep, it's a long carbon reduction. President. Yep, absolutely. I'm sure you'll have a huge impact being an engineer. Owner, president, innovative, running my own company. Yeah, brilliant. Okay, so that's, I know Vinka's going to push me on time, so I've just got a few more things to say, but can you see what a magic bunch of people we've got here? All doing incredible things, fought incredible hardships, and have got great dreams, and that's what we want. So I'm just going to give a few more words, and I know I'm running out of time, so please forgive me. A few words about our short and long-term plans. As Tegan suggested, we are very conscious of online learning is definitely the way to go for, yep, excellent. And we have a thing called learning support officers, and obviously that's really important. So we're going to set up we're going through a long process of setting up a campus for school leavers, so that's for Johannesburg. That's one of our dreams, because we really want to do that. And then in Australia, we've got quite a lot of growth happening. So we've got a campus in Perth, a new campus we're moving into. Although you'll be very intrigued, the Australian bureaucracy is struck, and maybe that's something for Tegan to take up with the Prime Minister. And we've got limited power for our campus, for all our engineering equipment. So that's caused a little challenge. So power interruptions aren't only peculiar to South Africa, they do happen in other countries. And then obviously we're opening a Brisbane campus and expanding our Melbourne campus. And Emma over here has been engineering all those plans, which is also good. She'll say a few words later. And then we're also going through a UK accreditation, because we want to get UK accreditation. And Suzanne at the back there, thank you, Suzanne, has been barreling through that for the last 2-3 years with all sorts of interesting things. So those are our long-term plans. And the other very important thing we're doing next year is we're going to increase our community outreach. We want to reach schools, not charge them, but we want to reach schools and actually give them more connectivity to STEM. So that's really, really important to us. So that's another aspect. And as you would be aware, we run a lot of online free webinars on topics of interest, and we'll be accelerating that next year as well. So it's fabulous when you've got a bunch of people, and such as yourselves, that embrace this model, and you've got staff that are absolutely committed. And it is a brilliant business to be in, education, because you get so much love every day. People phoning in, thank you, I've got a promotion, or I'm doing this. it is such a brilliantly positive business. So that's our plans. Just a few final thoughts on your graduation day. Education is bitter, it's tough, as you would have seen with the power interruptions. Just a few words here. Think globally. You're mobile, you can do things on a global basis. So today things aren't done locally anymore, you think globally. That is really, really important. Keep learning, that's a part of our lives. We learn you will continue learning. I don't mean coming on courses. There was a suggestion yesterday on one of the sites that courses are dead, that learning is actually more than just a course, it's actually connectivity to your peers, getting informal sources of learning, it's really important. Keep yourself sharp, skill yourself up, which is really important. Keep improving your opportunities. Unfortunately, as Terry would confirm with you, when he designed what is the first chip you did, 8085? What are you working on now, the PIC? What chip? What is your latest microprocessor you're working on today? AI, there, advanced survey equipment with AI. And we would never, Terry would have never done that at BITS, not 40 years ago. So huge opportunities, but you've got to keep moving with the times. Enjoying the journey. One of the other challenges my father said to me, very sadly when I did engineering, he said, son, you are going to be illiterate and your communication skills will be gone when you finish your engineering degree. And it is so true. You've got to keep your communication skills sharp, and that is what is critical, to be able to communicate and explain difficult technical concepts in such a way that your grandmother can understand them. That is really important. Take responsibility, think critically. Everything you hear, including from us, be critical about it. STEAM ahead. Our academic chair said STEM is not just STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics. It's also about E for entrepreneurship. Absolutely important. And then finally, integrity is absolutely critical. And on that note, I'm just going to spend one more slide, I think it is. Professional integrity is so absolutely important. I cannot tell you enough. There's no money in the world that is worth exchanging that. Your professional reputation, you can never get back once you lose it. So really just a few words. Honest, ethical, respectful, even when people around you are not. And I'm not just targeting South Africa, worldwide. I mean, if you want to see white-collar fraud, come to Australia. It's going on there as well. So it's all over the world. So it's not just we complain about issues here. Be proactive. Don't be a bystander. Edwina is always saying, you know, be active, proactive. Don't just look at a situation developing. Take active involvement. And your reputation is worth more than all the money in the world. So we want money, perhaps, but at the end of the day, your reputation is critical. So just a few words. Champion your culture. One of the biggest problems with AI I see, and I could see it on our roadshow, is that AI has got all this North American and European mumbo-jumbo, and you are going to try and apply it in South Africa, and it will be hopelessly inappropriate often. So be vigilant about that. Make sure you stand up for your culture, your way of doing things, because you'll find to your horror that AI may not be the savior you think it is. So just watch out for that. KISS principle, always keep it simple, stupid, is absolutely a critical engineering principle. I tell my students in class, appropriateness in application. Don't aim for a 20-story building when a ground-story building will be more than adequate. You know, that's really, really important. Sustainability, we've heard many times, so I won't go into that again. And if you've got any doubt about something you're doing has got integrity or not, there's no doubt there's a problem. Or if you've got a doubt about anything, there is some issue. So just always check. Never trust unless you look at things critically. And I thank Robert De Niro and Taxi Driver for that last quote, because he gave it to me. So really, in conclusion, I just want to say, whether you're a technician, technologist, or engineer, we are hugely proud of you. You give us meaning in our day-to-day life, and I'm so absolutely proud of all of you. I can't tell you how much we are proud of the work that you've done, And we hope to see you in the future, and we hope to keep in touch because we love you to bits. Thank you very much.
Something, one of the laws Steve left out, which is he's famous for, it's called the law of unintended consequences, also known as Murphy's Law. So always remember that when you design something, look downstream, look at the consequences, because they can be surprising sometimes. And what Dr. Bridget said earlier about the 100-year floodline, very true, because who thought about climate change in the 1950s when we built some of these structures? So these are things that come to bite you later on as engineers. And the integrity part is so important. I've been an engineer for more than 40 years, and I tell you, it's one of the most important things you can be. You must be incorruptible, because there are so many temptations out there, and they do, unfortunately, land you in trouble. We've seen some of these prominent court cases with people thought they got away with things, and it comes back, and that's your reputation gone. So Steve is already here. We need to ask Sifiso Pakamisa, Higher Education Learning Support Officer, to read out the graduation names, as well as Dr. Steve, and we also need Dr. Bridget as well on the stage to acknowledge our EIT graduates. So I'm not sure who wants to.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Hello, everybody. How are you doing? I'm good. Thank you for asking. Hey, Dion. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. I'm going to call out your discipline. You move to this side. Okay. I'm going to call out your discipline. You move to this side. And then once you are here, I call out your name. You ascend the stage all the way through. Okay. Can we now start? Could I please have all the graduates for the Diploma of Leadership and Management, for the Advanced Diploma of Electrical and Instrumentation Engineering in Mining, as well as the graduates for the Advanced Diploma of Industrial Data Communication and Networking, and then lastly, all the graduates for the Advanced Diploma of Plant Engineering. Please move to the side. There is Thelma there who will direct you where to go. You're welcome, Steve. You're welcome. It's still early. I'll just call the names when they're there. Yes.
So I'll put this around and then they'll
That's me. You spoke so well, Doctor. Thank you.
Bridget, if you don't mind placing the camera like this and shake hands.
Okay.
So they can see the management on the.
And we will start. The first one will be Peri Dikotla.
Just face that.
And the next one will be Betwell Ilu. He's not here. Okay, and then we're going to move on to Johan Itula. And the next one will be Sorianaden Iyasamwi. And the next one is Bhaveshni Padayachi. And then now we go to the advanced diplomas of electrical and instrumentation engineering in mining, and we shall begin with Jean Potgieter. And then it's Serole Satekhe. And the graduate for the Advanced Diploma of Industrial Data Communication and Networking is Emmanuel Hialula. And the graduates for the Advanced Diploma of Plant Engineering, we will start with Munyarazi Chizongo. He's with us online. And we'll all move on to Antonia da Silva. And the next one is Pasco Jariwa. That's James. And the next one is Mulatedi Lebone. And then we have Ricobert Tatong Sop. Could we now please have the graduates for the following disciplines? Advanced Diploma of Robotics and Mechatronics Engineering, Advanced Diploma of Civil and Structural Engineering. Can you please come through to the left? And we will start with the graduates for the Advanced Diploma of Robotics and Mechatronics. And the first person will be Ushewashe Chakasara. You spoke so well, hey? Oh my goodness. And the next one is Denver Govender. And the next one is Daniel Mbenga. And the next one is Foley Eshmo Ngiba. And then we have Spumelele Zigalala. The next one is Tamsanga Chesa. These are the graduates in civil and structural engineering, including Tamsanga. And the next one will be Vuledzani Mugeri. And we have Ukol Maumakwe. And then we have Thando Madokwe. We have Penyo Yayone Mudiri. Just say Penyo. Yes. And we've got Faustinius Murawu, who is not here. And the next one is Mang Pusuluso. And then Sola Isaac Shokunbi, who is not here. And then Jacob Jacobus Thiet.
Jacob.
Yeah, that's easy. We have Dennis Tichagwa. And the last one in this discipline is Sims Penduka. Could we please have graduates for these disciplines? Advanced Diploma of Electrical and Instrumentation Engineering for Oil and Gas Facilities, as well as Advanced Diploma of Applied Electrical Engineering, Electrical Systems. Please move to the left, on my left.
Thanks, Bridget, for persevering.
Yeah. And we will start.
Just really quick, we have one more applied electrical engineering person. Do you mind calling them up?
Sure, what's the name?
It's Renald Klein-Smith. Advanced Diploma of Applied Electrical Engineering. There's no slide.
But then wait, is it systems or is it?
I don't know, I'm sorry.
Okay, put it here. We will start with Ayuk Emmanuel Ashu. And the next one will be Reinak Gabara. Reinak.
Oh, Raina.
We have Augustinus Kajumbu. Kajumbi. And we have Khumulimo Magotlong. And we have Johannes Masiko Wameng. And now for the graduates in applied electrical engineering, electrical systems, we've got Darlene Cherare. And we have Khaune Kesia Khomo, who is not here. And then lastly, we have Reynold Kleinschmidt. Could we please have the graduates for the advanced diploma in mechanical engineering? It's a lot. Accompanied by the graduates for the advanced diploma in biomedical engineering. And we will start with the advanced diplomas of mechanical engineering, and we've got Christopher Bielefeld. We have Ukopantse Binang. We move on to Glenn Lance Boysen. Glenn. Next is Eldridge Chuma. Letokuhle Dlamini. We move to Jason Finley. Rowan Govender. We move on to Rishan Hari Pusat. Rishan, yes. Sirole Precious Hlongwane. Precious, yes. Deepak Jamont. Melvin Ignatius Bonifacio Johnson. Lenmo Kufandanda. Learn more. Yep. Patrick Lukusa Kabongo. Patrick. Tondarai Matsoke. Ansa Makaya. We've got Noah Mazietenyu. Ruben Mkari. Waylin Morrow. Brighton Chikorova Murambinda. Brighton. Elivius Ndongeni. Elivius. Mudisa Utsile Untiretse. Mudisa. It's long. Just say Mudisa. And we have Dimakatso Paul. Dimakatso. The name is surprise. Adam Piens. Boitumelo Sipetlele. Moses Sibanda. Sunil Singh. Machaya John Sithole. John. Machaya John. Jobe. Abraham Karel Swart. Liesel Fenter. Marco Fenter. And the Advanced Diploma of Biomedical Engineering graduates, we will start with Oswell Dube. And we have a student who's joining us online from Australia, Shannon Neville Keller. Yes. Leroy William. Could the graduates for the Advanced Diploma of Industrial Automation Engineering please make their way to the side? And can they be accompanied by the graduates for the Advanced Diploma of Applied Electrical Engineering, Power Industry? And we will start with the Advanced Diploma of Industrial Automation, and we will start with Joel Dikana. Bafana Thulani Dlamini. Bafana. Yes. Mancoba Dlamini. Rowan Govender. They said he's not here. And this is Rowan Govender. Sugedren Govender. Luigi Yoma. Robert Kalumbi. Eugene Gurzen. Harmony Kunaka. Harmony. Yeah. Benefit Madamba. Melody Mafadzavana. Melody. Yep. Khutatso Malepe. We have Noko Mashala. Sylvester Charlie Mhlakuva. Lebuchang Pearl Mushala. Dress is nice. Diboneng Daniel Muleya. Mutombo David wa Mutombo. Gibson Mwandiyeya. Godfrey Mzizi. Siviwe Nzinza. Nkanyiso Ngema. Tabangile Ntombi Ntshangase. Reliance Nyoni. Mohale Papala. Wayne Pillay. Wayne. We have Melville Pillay, who is joining us here. He was supposed to be online, that's why. You made it. Yes. Begithemba Sibanda. Meluleki Chuma. Meluleki, sort of like an advisor. Palihelo Toho. And then now we'll move to the Advanced Diploma of Applied Electrical Engineering Power Industry graduates. And we will start with Olindo Antonio. Before the ones. So I should call him after the... Before I go to the bachelor's. Okay. Reynold again. And we go to Colette Mikateko Makamu. Colette. And this student has now arrived for the Advanced Diploma of Civil and Structural, Faustinos Morawu. And now we move on to the Bachelors of Science graduates. Can I please have the Civil and Structural Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Industrial Automation, as well as Mechanical Engineering? Can you please move to the side? And for the graduate Bachelors of Science, Civil and Structural Engineering, please may we have Richard Data. Okay, and for the electrical discipline, Leslie Duwa. Edmund Mahaji. And for the bachelors in industrial automation, we have Samuel Vusumuzi Mazibugo. Samuel Vusumuzi. Vusi, build up a home. Raise a home. Nathaniel Nujoma. And the Bachelors of Science in Mechanical Engineering, we've got Rowan Badenhorst. Yeah. And lastly, in the bachelor's category, Shepard Ngoni. Can we please have these graduates for the graduate certificate in industrial automation, graduate certificate in renewable energy technologies, and the master's graduates in industrial automation and electrical systems. This one is graduating in the graduate certificate in industrial automation engineering, and the name is Excellent Kegane Kwaelane. Excellent. This one is for the graduate certificate in renewable energy technologies, and we have Stanley Willers. These ones are graduating in the Masters of Engineering Industrial Automation. We will start with Ivan Mufaro Chikeya.
Thank you, God.
Dale Whitaker. And the last graduate for today, who's graduating in Masters of Engineering Electrical Systems, Itumeleng Kitumetse. And over to you, Terry. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone. That was really awe-inspiring. I think a round of applause for all our graduates is in order. And there's two things that I took away from today. Firstly, I have no idea how to pronounce names. So apologies to all the people that I've instructed over the years and I've mispronounced your names. And secondly, we still have so few ladies in STEM. We need to really encourage more ladies to join. We need more outreach programs for ladies. But well done to all the ladies. I always get reminded of the famous saying about the dance couple Ginger Rogers and Fred Astaire. They said that Ginger Rogers had to do everything as Fred Astaire did, but backwards in high heels. All right, so I'd like to welcome to the stage Emma Hart. Emma's our Higher Education Manager, Strategy and Governance, located in the EIT head office in Perth, Western Australia. Emma's been part of the higher education journey for a number of our students. Please welcome Emma.
I'll just move this down. I'm not as tall as the rest, especially not CICIPO. Before we look at the special awards, can I please just have a round of applause for CICIPO and all those names she just called out? I had to do that job in Perth, and for some of the names that were extremely difficult, CICIPO is the one who taught me how to pronounce them. So huge thank you. So for this part of the ceremony, it's where we give special recognition to our EIT students with our graduate special awards. Students were asked to nominate themselves or to nominate one of their colleagues for one of the 4 awards. These include the Dean's Community Impact Award, the Environmental Impact Award, the Resilience in Action Award, and the Academic Excellence Award. We received a number of nominations for these awards, and I want to firstly congratulate everyone for their submissions. Reading about the impacts that students have experienced studying with EIT and the advancements on your careers was heartwarming and humbling. Also, the stories we received about the contributions and the impact that graduates are making in their communities and the environment is extremely admirable. So many of you have shown incredible resilience and are navigating some huge challenges to be here today graduating. So congratulations to you all. To begin with, I'd like to invite again our EIT Dean, Dr. Steve Mackay, to the stage to hand out these awards. My apologies. Thank you for Dr. Bridget. My apologies for not announcing you to come up and also hand these awards out. Oh, it's not working. What did you do, CICIPO? Yep. Can you flick them, James? It's not working. Thank you. First award is the award for the Community Impact Award. The graduate who will be winning this award has completed a Bachelor in Electrical Engineering. His nomination stated that his degree has equipped him to address crucial challenges in South Africa, implementing renewable energy systems, reducing energy poverty, cutting carbon emissions, and improving living conditions in underserved areas. This award goes to Leslie Dua.
Maybe we can do it both of us together.
Our next award is the Environmental Impact Award, and the graduate who will be winning this award completed an Advanced Diploma of Industrial Automation Engineering. His studies at EIT empowered him to drive positive environmental change through ongoing projects, and these include revolutionising irrigation for diverse farms, improving water purification with advanced automation, and harnessing solar energy for sustainable power generation. The winner of this award goes to Mutombo David Wa Mutombo. Our next award is the Resilience in Action Award, and the winner for this award completed the Advanced Diploma of Robotics and Mechatronics Engineering. This student did get through a lot of challenging situations throughout his studies. Not only, like many, was he studying, he was managing leadership of a huge team. He had international travel, family responsibilities, disruptions such as load shedding, which I've learnt lots about this week. He's also leading a group with uncooperative members, which also adds a layer of difficulty, and he's taken on extra responsibilities. And despite juggling all of these multiple roles, he still was dedicated to academic excellence. The nomination really reflects his commitment to overcoming all of these challenges. So the winner of the Resilience in Action Award goes to Denver Govenda. The final Graduate Special Award is the Academic Excellence Award, and the recipient of this award completed a Master of Engineering in Industrial Automation. His studies were instrumental in creating an academic excellence within his community in several ways, Technical skills and knowledge that he gained in his field of study enabled him to actively contribute to projects, and that included local environmental issues such as water purification systems and renewable energy initiatives. The emphasis he learned in EIT on leadership and teamwork also allowed him to take on leadership roles in various organisations, and through effective communication and project management skills that he acquired, he's been able to coordinate volunteers and resources to tackle pressing community challenges. The winner of the final award for academic excellence is Irvin Mufaro Chikeya. Where did he go? Oh. That was probably my terrible pronunciation. I do apologise. And that concludes our special awards. Thank you, Dr. Steve and Dr. Bridget. And a huge congratulations to all of the winners.
So again, I think a round of applause for our special winners today. So we'd now like to call on to Kerry Marks, General Manager of EIT South Africa, for the closing address. Please welcome Kerry.
Let me just put this up. Thank you. Last but not least, good day, ladies and gentlemen. First, I would like to start by acknowledging and thanking our distinguished guests. Dr. Steve, thank you for traveling all the way and seeing our graduate, and Dr. Bridget for your empowering words and being present on this day. Terry, thank you so much for hosting the graduation and doing a fantastic job. All our guests who traveled and took their time to be here on this special night, thank you very much, as well as everyone who had a hand in the organizing of the graduation. Thank you. Also want to take time to thank the faculty members, parents, and most importantly, the graduating students. Thank you to everyone who has contributed to the success of the graduating class throughout their educational journey, whom I'm sure is made up of a lot of people: lecturers, staff, parents, work colleagues, managers, siblings, friends, and of course the graduates themselves. As we know, to get to this point, there must have been a lot of, I'm not sure if I'm going to get there, I'm going to give up, I don't want to keep doing it. And you did, and with sheer hard work and dedication, and look at where you sit tonight. Well done, give yourself a round of applause. We hope this journey at EIT has been a memorable one, not only for your success, but for what you've learned, the relationships you have formed, and the challenges I'm sure you had to overcome, which in the end helped you grow as a person as well as a professional. Let us acknowledge the exceptional journey each one of you has had. Each step, each challenge, each triumph has shaped you into the individuals you are today. Never underestimate the power of self-belief. It's important to surround yourself with people who positively influence you, and find people and mentors that can support you, and never hesitate to ask and help when needed, as you can constantly learn. Remember that the most successful individuals are not those who never experience setbacks in their lives, but rather those who have stumbled but emerged stronger than before. You need to view every failure as a learning opportunity and a stepping stone towards your ultimate success. Believe in yourself, for if you don't, who will? In conclusion, I have faith in your abilities. Be guided by the confidence in yourself and believe in your dreams and never give up. Embrace the uncertainties of tomorrow as opportunities for growth and adventure can emerge. Remember, the world belongs to those who dare to embrace it with open hearts and unwavering confidence. Remember, if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Be the best version of you. Don't watch the clock, do what it does and keep going. Work hard in silence, let the success make a noise. The expert in anything was once a beginner. Your only limit is you. Congratulations, EIT class of 2023. May your future be filled with boundless success, unwavering courage, and endless opportunities. Thank you. But before we, I just want to quickly go to a few things. There is drinks and catering just to your right. If you have any special dietary requirements, please make sure that you let the staff know, as well as all the flowers that are on your tables. Please do take them. You can take them home. You can put them in your house. We don't want them to go to waste. And please remember your hiring gowns. If you could just please take it back to the left where you took them out. All right. Thank you so much.
Sorry, I'm gate crashing as usual. I apologise for that. Vinka, can you please come up? Let's Vinka Malone and Kerry. I just want to thank you both for running this. Sorry, I hate microphones. Okay, I just want to thank Vinka Malone. She's come from Harvey in Western Australia. It's a little country town, middle of nowhere. And she's swum a 30-kilometre race to Rottnest Island through the most turbulent current. An extraordinary woman. And she has conceptualized the initial bits, and then she's helped with the actual graduation. Obviously, on the ground here, we have the remarkable lady on my right here, who's Kerry, who's put in a huge amount of effort. But I'm so grateful for both of you for wielding and making the magic to make it all happen. I would love to give you both, give Vinka some flowers, but of course she's, I believe, traveling down to Cape Town to see Cape Town tomorrow, and then back to Perth on some horrific flight. So flowers probably wouldn't be a good thing to accompany it. But I just want to thank you so much, both of you, for putting so much effort in and making it such a resounding success. I'm utterly grateful to you both. Thank you so much. And we've got our public relations lady saying something. What's it, Edwina? Absolutely. And the EIT team, perhaps just come up quickly onto the stage where you are. Come quickly up here if you're able to. Stay here, Vinka, don't run away. Where's the EIT team? Stand up, stand up. Thank you very much to you. I am utterly grateful for... We've got a remarkable team here. We've got about 30 odd people, and they're extraordinarily driven, motivated, and a remarkable bunch of people. But I just want to thank you as well. And obviously, you graduates, and as I said, most importantly, your supporters. Your supporters are absolutely remarkable as well, and you deserve huge a clap as well. So I hope the graduates, or graduates now, can clap with us for your supporters as well. We're going to do a photographic opportunity here. Maybe Dr. Bridget will come up for that. We're going to do a photographic opportunity. But thank you very much, one and all. I'm so absolutely love being here. Thank you. Bye.
The photo opportunity will be all the graduates. If all the graduates could stay here, we'd like to take a group photo, if that's fine. You can just come to the front of the stage.